15 poisons for your liver that can even kill you. Did you know that some of the foods and substances we consume daily could be slowly destroying your liver? And some of them can even kill you. The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body, responsible for detoxifying our blood, producing essential proteins, and storing vitamins and minerals. But what many do not know is that certain common foods and substances can cause irreparable damage to this vital organ. Today, we will reveal 15 common poisons that can cause serious damage to your liver, some of which you may not even imagine. Knowing these poisons could be the difference between a healthy life and a serious medical condition. So, if you want to know how to protect your liver and ensure a longer and healthier life, keep watching this video. Let's begin. Functioning of the liver. The liver is a multifunctional organ essential for our health. It acts as the body's main filter, removing toxins and harmful substances from the blood. Additionally, it metabolizes carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, converting glucose into glycogen for energy storage and breaking down proteins into amino acids. The liver also produces bile, a crucial digestive fluid for the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins, which is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine. It stores vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as minerals like iron and copper, releasing these nutrients as needed to maintain the body's balance. Another important function is the synthesis of vital proteins, such as albumin, which maintains fluid balance in the blood, and clotting proteins, essential for wound healing. Keeping the liver healthy is crucial for overall health. When the liver is damaged or overburdened, its functions can be compromised, leading to health problems. Understanding how the liver works helps us appreciate the need to protect it from harmful substances. And that is exactly what we will explore next. 15 common poisons that can cause serious damage to your liver. Substances and medications. 1. Paracetamol, acetaminophen. Paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen, is a widely used analgesic and antipyretic. Despite its effectiveness in relieving pain and fever, excessive or incorrect use can cause severe liver damage. In high doses, paracetamol overburdens the liver, leading to the production of toxic metabolites that cause liver cell damage. This can result in toxic hepatitis, acute liver failure, and, in extreme cases, death. It is essential to strictly follow the recommended dosages and avoid combining it with alcohol, which increases the risk of liver toxicity. Often, people underestimate the danger of taking slightly higher doses than recommended or combining paracetamol with other medications that also contain acetaminophen. To avoid these risks, always consult a healthcare professional before increasing the dose or mixing medications. 2. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of liver disease worldwide. When ingested, alcohol is metabolized by the liver, but excessive consumption can overwhelm this capacity, resulting in fatty liver disease, alcoholic hepatitis, and eventually liver cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a serious condition where healthy liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue, irreversibly impairing liver function. Moderation is crucial. Men should not consume more than 2 drinks per day, and women no more than 1. For those already diagnosed with liver diseases, complete abstinence from alcohol is often necessary to prevent disease progression and promote recovery. Additionally, it is important to monitor liver health regularly if you frequently consume alcohol. 3. Anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids, often used to increase muscle mass and improve athletic performance, pose significant risks to liver health. These steroids can cause cholestasis, a condition where bile flow from the liver is reduced or blocked, resulting in jaundice and liver cell damage. Prolonged use of anabolic steroids can also lead to the development of liver tumors and, in extreme cases, liver failure. The risks are especially high when steroids are used without medical supervision or in higher than recommended doses. Safer and more effective alternatives for performance enhancement include proper training and balanced nutrition. For those who opt for the use of anabolic steroids, medical supervision is essential to monitor liver health and minimize associated risks. 4. Refined sugar. Excessive consumption of refined sugar can be highly detrimental to the liver. When ingested in large quantities, sugar is converted into fat in the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This condition can progress to liver inflammation and scarring, resulting in cirrhosis and liver failure. Processed foods, sodas, and sweets are the main sources of refined sugar in the modern diet. To protect the liver, it is crucial to reduce the intake of refined sugar and opt for natural and whole foods. Additionally, regular physical exercise helps maintain liver health and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Studies show that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fibers can significantly improve liver health. It is also important to pay attention to food labels to identify and avoid added sugars. 5. Energy drinks. Energy drinks contain high doses of caffeine and other stimulants that can overburden the liver. Excessive consumption of these drinks can lead to liver toxicity, especially when combined with alcohol or used in excess. Ingredients such as taurine and guarana, found in many energy drinks, can exacerbate the effects of caffeine, increasing the risk of liver damage. To avoid these risks, it is important to consume energy drinks in moderation and be aware of signs of liver overload, such as fatigue, abdominal pain, and jaundice. Opting for natural alternatives, such as fresh fruit juices and water, can help maintain liver health. Additionally, adequate hydration and a balanced diet are fundamental for optimal liver function. Avoiding the combination of energy drinks with intense physical activities can also prevent overload. 6. Trans fats. Trans fats, found in processed foods and fried foods, are extremely harmful to the liver. These fats are artificially created through the hydrogenation of vegetable oils, making them more stable and prolonging the shelf life of foods. However, the consumption of trans fats is associated with an increased risk of fatty liver disease, inflammation, and liver fibrosis. Avoiding foods such as margarine, snack foods, and fast food is crucial to protecting the liver. Replacing trans fats with healthy fats, such as those found in fish, nuts, and olive oil, can improve liver health and reduce the risk of liver diseases. Adopting a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids present in fish like salmon and sardines can also have a protective effect on the liver. Additionally, it is important to cook with healthy oils and avoid ultra-processed foods whenever possible. Chemicals and environmental toxins. 7. Pesticides. Pesticides are widely used in agriculture to protect crops from pests, but their presence in food can have serious consequences for the liver. Prolonged exposure to pesticides can lead to the accumulation of toxins in the liver, resulting in oxidative stress, inflammation, and liver cell damage. These toxins can interfere with the liver's ability to detoxify the body, increasing the risk of chronic liver diseases. To reduce exposure to pesticides, it is advisable to consume organic foods whenever possible and carefully wash fruits and vegetables before consumption. Additionally, supporting sustainable agricultural practices that minimize the use of pesticides can contribute to the protection of liver health and the environment. 8. Industrial solvents. Industrial solvents found in cleaning products, paints, and adhesives can be extremely toxic to the liver. Inhalation or prolonged contact with these solvents can lead to the accumulation of harmful chemicals in the liver, causing inflammation, cell damage, and, in severe cases, liver failure. Professionals working with these products should use appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, to minimize exposure. At home, it is important to use cleaning products in well-ventilated areas and opt for less toxic alternatives whenever possible. Awareness of the dangers of industrial solvents and the adoption of preventive measures can help protect liver health. 9. Fungicides and herbicides. Fungicides and herbicides are widely used to control fungi and weeds in crops, but their exposure can be harmful to the liver. These chemicals can be absorbed through the skin or ingested through contaminated food, accumulating in the liver and causing oxidative stress, inflammation, and liver damage. Prolonged use and repeated exposure increase the risk of chronic liver diseases. To minimize exposure, it is recommended to consume organic foods, wash agricultural products well, and avoid excessive use of chemicals in the garden. Promoting sustainable agricultural practices and using natural pest control methods can help reduce the toxic load on the liver. Herbs and natural supplements. 10. Kava kava. Kava kava is an herb traditionally used in South Pacific cultures to relieve anxiety and promote relaxation. However, its consumption has been associated with serious liver damage. Prolonged or high-dose use can lead to hepatotoxicity, resulting in symptoms such as jaundice, abdominal pain, and even liver failure. The hepatotoxicity of kava kava is linked to compounds called kavalactones, which can cause inflammation and liver cell damage. For those who use kava kava, it is crucial to do so under medical supervision and limit the dose and duration of use. Safer alternatives for anxiety relief, such as meditation and other natural therapies, can be considered to protect liver health. 11. Chapéu de couro. Chapéu de couro is a plant native to Brazil, known for its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties. Although it has medicinal benefits, its excessive use can be harmful to the liver. The active compounds of the plant can cause oxidative stress and liver cell damage when consumed in large quantities. Symptoms of liver toxicity include nausea, fatigue, and abdominal pain. It is important to use Chapéu de couro cautiously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Additionally, ensuring the origin and quality of the supplement to avoid contamination with other toxic substances is fundamental. Balance and moderation are essential to avoid adverse effects and ensure the therapeutic efficacy of the plant. Other common poisons. 12. Cigarettes. Smoking cigarettes is extremely harmful to the liver, as well as the lungs and heart. The toxins in cigarette smoke, such as tar and nicotine, are metabolized by the liver, overloading its detoxification capacity. Smoking increases the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Additionally, smoking can worsen the progression of pre-existing liver diseases and reduce the effectiveness of treatments. Quitting smoking is one of the best ways to protect liver health and improve overall health. Support programs, medications, and nicotine replacement therapies can help people quit smoking, significantly reducing the risks to the liver. 13. Foods contaminated with aflatoxins. Aflatoxins are toxins produced by certain types of fungi that grow on grains, nuts, and seeds stored improperly. Ingesting aflatoxins can cause severe liver damage, including liver cancer. These toxins are particularly prevalent in regions with inadequate storage conditions and hot, humid climates. To minimize the risk of exposure, it is important to store dry foods in cool, dry places, visually inspect foods before consumption, and discard any items showing signs of mold. Additionally, choosing reliable suppliers that follow good storage practices can reduce the chance of aflatoxin contamination. 14. Excess. Vitamin A supplements. While vitamin A is essential for various bodily functions, its excess can be toxic to the liver. Hypervitaminosis A occurs when large amounts of vitamin A accumulate in the liver, leading to symptoms such as nausea, headaches, dizziness, and in severe cases, liver damage. Vitamin A supplements should be taken cautiously and under medical supervision, especially for those who already have liver diseases. It is important to follow the recommended doses and avoid combinations with other supplements containing vitamin A. Getting vitamin A through a balanced diet, rich in colorful fruits and vegetables, can help avoid toxicity and promote overall liver health. Toxic cosmetic products. Many cosmetic products contain chemicals that can be absorbed through the skin and accumulate in the liver, causing long-term toxicity. Ingredients such as parabens, phthalates, and heavy metals can interfere with liver function and lead to cell damage. To protect the liver, it is important to choose cosmetic products that are free of toxins and made with natural ingredients. Reading product labels and opting for brands that follow strict safety standards can reduce exposure to these chemicals. Additionally, promoting liver detoxification through a healthy diet and adequate hydration can help mitigate the negative effects of toxic cosmetics. Quick recap. Today, we explored 15 common poisons that can cause serious damage to your liver, some of which you may encounter in your daily life. We saw how substances like paracetamol and alcohol, when used in excess, can overload the liver and lead to serious conditions such as toxic hepatitis and cirrhosis. We discussed the hidden dangers in foods and drinks such as refined sugar and trans fats, which contribute to fatty liver disease and inflammation. We also examined the risks of chemicals and environmental toxins, such as pesticides, industrial solvents, and herbicides, which can accumulate in the liver and cause oxidative stress and cell damage. Additionally, we highlighted how certain herbs and natural supplements, such as kava kava and chapéu de kuro, can be harmful if used without proper caution. Finally, we talked about other common poisons, such as cigarette smoke, foods contaminated with aflatoxins, excess vitamin A supplements, and toxic cosmetic products, which can compromise liver health. Awareness and the adoption of healthy habits are essential to protect this vital organ. Maintaining a healthy liver is fundamental to overall well-being. By avoiding these poisons and opting for a balanced lifestyle, you can promote the longevity and health of your liver. Prevention tips. Protecting the liver is crucial to maintaining overall body health. Here are some practical tips to prevent liver damage and ensure the proper functioning of this vital organ. 1. Moderation in alcohol consumption. Limit alcohol intake. Men should not consume more than 2 drinks per day, and women should not consume more than 1. Avoiding alcohol completely is the best option for those with liver problems. 2. Responsible medication. Use. Always follow the recommended dosages for medications like paracetamol. Consult your doctor before mixing medications and avoid prolonged use of painkillers without guidance. 3. Healthy diet. Adopt a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Reduce the consumption of refined sugar, trans fats, and processed foods. Opt for organic foods to minimize pesticide exposure. 4. Adequate hydration. Drink plenty of water to help the liver eliminate toxins. Avoid energy drinks and sugary sodas. 5. Avoid exposure to toxins. Use natural cleaning products and cosmetics. When possible, choose less toxic alternatives and use protective equipment when handling chemicals. 6. Vaccination. Ensure you are vaccinated against hepatitis A and B, which can cause serious liver damage. 7. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces the risk of fatty liver disease. 8. Medical supervision. Have regular checkups and liver function tests, especially if you have a history of liver disease or exposure to risk factors. Implementing these tips in your daily routine can significantly reduce the risk of liver damage and promote a healthier and longer life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.